So this video is a little bit different to the usual videos that I do. This video is a product review. So I've received a free travel VPN from Pyramid, and this is called the Pyramid Wi-Fi. And look how cute it is. I actually love the size of this. It's so small and so cute. Now, I'm sure you've probably heard of what a VPN is. I actually didn't. I'd heard of a VPN, but I didn't know what it was before I received this product. This is an honest, although this product was gifted, it's an honest review of how I've experienced this so far and what I think of it. So a VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It will help to unblock websites that are not available in your location, and it will improve your privacy and security by protecting your personal information and browsing history when you use the internet. And I can imagine it would be a lifesaver when travelling, but unfortunately I have not been able to travel like no one because of coronavirus. So what Pyramid Wi-Fi basically does is that it combines a VPN with your Wi-Fi router or public Wi-Fi and puts those together. So therefore it's really simple and easy to use. You don't have to download any apps or software. And I think it literally took me about 2 to 3 minutes to get it all set up. It was super easy. And one of the great things about this is that it works with all devices, so phones, laptops, smart TVs, Fire Sticks, iPads, tablets. I've only used it with my laptop and phone so far, but of course if you have any of those devices which you want to protect, then you can. So even though it is a router, it's super portable in size. Like I've showed you before, it's tiny and super lightweight as well. Literally, you can fit this in your pocket. It's great. Easy to transport, perfect for travelling with when you're out and about, but also you can use it in your home, which is what I've been doing. Let's take a look at what's included. So obviously we've got this lovely purple packaging, which is very colour coordinated with the actual brand colours. So I will definitely reuse that, as I'm always selling stuff online. And yes, we've got the UK power adapter, and then the charging plug, charging cable, the actual Pyramid Wi-Fi product, obviously. And yeah, this is the leaflet, well not leaflet, but the card you need, and it's got the activation code on it. So you will need this for when you actually activate the product, so do keep hold of that. But yes, as you can see, everything you need to get going. Let's talk about what it's useful for. For me, I always worry about how safe my personal information is when I'm browsing using public Wi-Fi, especially when I'm abroad. So when I do travel again, this product will be really useful for just making sure that everything that I do, all my personal data, is safe and secure. You just don't know who is around and who could be trying to hack what you're on and steal your personal data. A while ago, someone I know did get their bank details hacked into. They were basically buying something online using public Wi-Fi, and because of that, someone did hack into their personal data and actually copied their bank details, and then of course spent money on their card. So it definitely does happen, and that's just one example. Hasn't happened to me, thankfully, but there's a risk when you do use public Wi-Fi. So using this just gives you that peace of mind that that won't happen to you. So this will be a lifesaver for when I'm using public Wi-Fi, whether that's in restaurants, cafes, even in hotels and hostels. You just can't be safe enough. So another thing is that yes, I do love travelling, but I also love, when I go travelling, to watch UK TV shows. So for me especially, I love Come Dine With Me.
This is where the passion lies, the passion fruit pavlova with homemade orange curd.
He mixes his orange curd into cream and passion fruit.
And even when I lived in Switzerland, I was always trying to watch Come Dine With Me. And annoyingly, I couldn't get access to it in that country I was in because it was only accessible to people in the UK. So I'm sure you've had that before, where you go abroad, you try to access TV shows from your home country and it says this is not available in your chosen country or in the country you're in. How frustrating. So as a VPN, what Pyramid Wi-Fi does is that it lets you change your location of where you're browsing from. So for me, that means I can watch UK TV shows in other countries, whereas normally if I was just using public Wi-Fi or whatever Wi-Fi, I wouldn't be able to do that. So really great for if I want to watch Come Dine With Me, or even an example of what I've been doing this past week is watching American Netflix. So that's something that I wasn't able to do. UK Netflix is okay, but American Netflix actually has a lot more TV shows that you can watch. And with me now being in self-isolation and social distancing, I have a lot of free time to watch Netflix. So this is something that has been great for me, and is also useful for at home and when you're travelling. So yeah, like I said, although I haven't been abroad and tested this, it's definitely been useful for when I've been at home and I have been watching American Netflix and doing a bit of binging. So with Pyramid Wi-Fi, like I've been doing, you can pair it with your home Wi-Fi, or you can pair it with public Wi-Fi for when you're out and about or if you're travelling abroad. And what I especially like about this is that you have the option to use it without cables, so just like this, or you do get a cable with it, you do actually get a cable port, so if you are in a hotel, for example, you can actually connect using a cable. I would recommend Pyramid Wi-Fi to anyone hoping to go abroad in the future who wants to keep their personal information safe. Also, people who want to go abroad and watch TV shows from all over the world or their home country, like me, and come dine with me, then this is a really good product for you. But also, if you're at home at the moment, like how I've used it in the past week, and you want to watch like American Netflix, for example, or shows from other countries that you wouldn't be able to access in your home country, then this is a really good way to do that. And if you are interested, I do have a 10% off discount code. So like I said, this product is gifted. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description below. But yeah, thank you for watching. And if you do have any questions, I'll put the link to the website and also just comment below and I will answer those. But yeah, thank you for watching.